But let's tell you the big story that we are breaking right at the very top, because there is more ally trouble now for the ruling NDA. The Lok Janshakti Party, the Bihar-based party, has threatened to quit the LJP, threatened to quit the NDA a day after the Akali Dal withdrew support. Its leader Chirag Paswan has claimed that unless he gets 42 seats in the forthcoming Bihar elections, he will fight the election on his own. This is the threat which has now been made, according to sources close to Mr. Paswan, that he too is now threatening to quit the NDA, at least in Bihar, as far as the elections are concerned. So there you have the next big ally who is threatening to quit. Rahul Srivastava, our National Affairs Editor, is joining us. Rahul Srivastava, is this muscle flexing by Chirag Paswan ahead of the elections, asking for more seats, or is there more to it than meets the eye? Is he serious now about fighting the Bihar elections on his own?
Rajiv, over the last few years, the BJP has lost several allies, because somewhere the BJP, the allies had a feeling that the BJP was acting like the big brother. But Rajiv, there is a bit of a difference in as far as this case of LJP is concerned. If you notice what LJP and Chirag Paswan especially have been saying, not one word against the BJP. Actually, they have targeted the JDU. I think this is the NDA Parivar trouble. The LJP has a very aggressive 4% vote, which is critical, especially if you come to those constituencies which are reserved constituencies. And the BJP definitely needs it. But somewhere when it asks for 42 seats, it's basically saying that 7 assembly segments in each Lok Sabha constituency, we have 6, so give us 42. The problem here is that is it only for getting more seats, or somewhere there is a kind of a equation happening between the BJP and the LJP, that by making LJP ask for more seats, it ensures that LJP does get more seats, and perhaps Nitish gets a smaller cake. If that happens, eventually there is a possibility the BJP could be looking at, in which it emerges as a senior player. The BJP right now is denying it. The LJP is not uttering a single word against the BJP. JDU is very firm.
Right.
No, we don't want to give seats. Issues of seat distribution have to be decided by the BJP. I think within the Parivar, there is a tussle going on in which the issue needs to be settled by the BJP, because the LJP is not against the BJP till now.
Point taken. Rahul Srivastava suggesting that this is an attempt in a way to possibly corner Nitish Kumar, the Chief Minister of Bihar, ahead of the elections. Interesting development there taking place with the LJP now flexing its muscles. Thanks very much, Rahul Srivastava, for joining me now.